I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Setting up payments on eBay's Seller Hub can be a bit tricky, but once you know the steps, it is straightforward. Step 1. Log into eBay Seller Hub. Start by logging into your eBay account and navigating to the Seller Hub. This is where you allow manage your listings and payments. Step 2. Access account settings. In the Seller Hub, look for the Account tab. Click on it to access your account settings, where you can manage payment options. Step 3. Choose Payment Preferences. Under the Payment settings, select Payment Preferences. Here, you can choose how you want to receive payments from buyers. Options typically include direct deposit or PayPal. Step 4. Enter bank information. If you choose direct deposit, you will need to enter your bank account details. Make sure to double check your account number and routing number to avoid any errors. A common mistake is entering the wrong routing number, which can delay your payment setup. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After entering your payment information, review everything and click Save. Make sure you get a confirmation message that your payment setup is complete. Once you've followed these steps, you should be all set to receive payments on eBay. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to eBay support for assistance. Happy selling!